Assalamu alaikum. I am Jahangir Alam. Welcome to my channel Jahangir Science School. Today I am going to discuss about IAL A2 Physics 7C chapter name Particle Interactions. Learning objective. After finishing this chapter, we can use E equal to delta M C square. Here E is the energy, delta M is the mass defect or mass difference, c square square of the speed of light in situation involving the creation and annihilation of matter and antimatter particles. Use and convert between mega electron volt, giga electron volt, mega electron volt by c square, giga electron volt by c square. Creation. When a pure energy converted into particle and antiparticle, then this process is known as creation. The implication, the implication from most creation stories is that from nothing the material of the earth was brought into being by an explained entity. However, one of the Einstein's most important theories suggests exactly this. So matter can be appear where previously there was nothing but energy. So pure energy can be interchanged or converted into matter and antimatter. So matter and energy are regularly interchanged in the universe according to his well-known equation E equal to mc square. Remember, in this equation, in this equation, in this equation, E equal to mc square, here E is the energy and delta M is the mass defect or change in mass, and c is the square of the speed of light. So in this equation, multiplying the mass of an object by square of the speed of light gives the equivalent energy, amount of energy. This equation gives a suitable quantity of energy such as that in gamma ray photon, particles can spontaneously appear and the energy disappears from the existence. So in a gamma ray photon, particle can spontaneously appear and the energy disappears from the existence. This is so common in universe that it should not surprise us. This is the good example of creation. So uh, exactly real example of creation. So creation, when a certain sort of energy disappear and there produces spontaneously a particle and antiparticle, this phenomenon is known as creation. This reason it does the reason it does is that these events only happen in the subatomic scale, so we cannot detect them without complex machines. So here is a mathematical example. Look at the example, worked example. Here, a gamma ray photon converts into an electron and a positron. Positron is the antiparticle, an antiparticle that has an identical mass to the electron. Calculate the frequency of the gamma photon. First, we have to calculate the amount of energy. We know E equal to E equal to delta M into C square, where delta M is the mass, that means mass difference, and C is the speed of light. Here, mass is multiplied by square of speed of light. So here, mass of electron 9.11 10 to the power minus 31 kg, mass of electron. So here, one electron and a positron. Positron exactly have same mass. So So one electron, so del E equal to mc square. Here, mass is 9.11 10 to the power minus 31 kg, and speed of light 3 into 10 to the power 8. So square, we get the energy 8.2 10 to the power minus 14 joule. But here produces an electron and a positron. So two particles. That's why we have to double the energy. So energy equals to 2 into 8.2 10 to the power minus 14. So total energy is 16.4 10 to the power minus 14 joule. From the Planck's energy equation, energy E equal to h f. Here h is the Planck constant. We have to find out the frequency. So F equal to total energy divided by Planck constant. Total energy divided by Planck constant. Here total energy is 16.4. 16.4 10 to the power minus 14, and Planck constant is 6.63 10 to the power minus 34. So we can easily calculate the amount of calculate the frequency. So it is 2.47 10 to the power 20 hertz. 20 hertz. So in this way, we can use this famous Einstein equation to calculate the frequency of the photon energy. This phenomena also known as pair production. Pair production. So this reaction is also known as electron-positron pair production. Remember, it is also known as creation. The name of creation also known as uh, pair production. Here, electron and positron are produced. So this reaction is known as electron positron pair production. In momentum terms, it is just like an explosion. Initially, only photon existed, so there was some linear momentum. Along this initial direction, their components of the momentum must sum to the same total as the photon had. Perpendicular to the initial momentum, electron and positron that were produced must have equal and opposite components of the momentum, so that in this direction it will still total zero afterward. So remember, the pair production follow the conservation law of momentum. So pair production follow the conservation law of momentum. Clear? In any reaction, total combination of matter energy must be conserved. Very important concept. So that's why conservation of mass, conservation of energy, uh, it is difficult to calculate in this type of creation and annihilation process, because we have to consider the matter energy conservation. So in any reaction, the total combination of matter energy must be conserved. If we add the energy equivalent of all matter's particles with the energies before and after reaction, the number must be equal. nuclear power